Greetings, culinary enthusiasts. Today, join me in a savory exploration of beef dishes. Get ready to embark on a beefy adventure. Recipe 1. Beef Stroganoff. Our culinary journey begins with a classic, beef stroganoff. Gather these ingredients. Beef sirloin, thinly sliced. Onion. Mushrooms. Beef broth. Sour cream. Dijon mustard. Paprika. Egg noodles. Let's start simmering the flavors. Cooking instructions for beef stroganoff. Sauté sliced beef in a hot pan until browned. Add sliced onions and mushrooms, and cook until softened. Pour in beef broth, Dijon mustard, and paprika. Simmer until the sauce thickens. Stir in sour cream and serve over cooked egg noodles. Recipe 2. Beef tacos with homemade salsa. Next up, let's dive into the vibrant world of Mexican cuisine with beef tacos. Gather these ingredients. Ground beef. Taco seasoning. Tortillas. Shredded lettuce. Diced tomatoes. Shredded cheese. Homemade salsa. Prepare for a fiesta of flavors. Cooking instructions for beef tacos. Brown ground beef in a skillet and season with taco seasoning. Warm tortillas and assemble tacos with seasoned beef, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Top with homemade salsa for a burst of freshness. Recipe 3. Beef and vegetable stir-fry. Let's stir things up with a quick and nutritious beef and vegetable stir-fry. Gather these ingredients. Beef strips. Broccoli florets. Bell peppers. Carrots. Soy sauce. Ginger. Garlic. Sesame oil. Rice or noodles. Get ready for a wok-tossed sensation. Cooking instructions for beef and vegetable stir-fry. Sear beef strips in a hot wok until browned. Add broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots, stir-frying until vegetables are tender crisp. Create a sauce with soy sauce, minced ginger, and garlic. Toss everything together. Serve over rice or noodles for a delightful stir-fry experience. Recipe 4. Beef bourguignon. Let's venture into French cuisine with the hearty and flavorful beef bourguignon. Gather these ingredients. Beef chuck, cubed. Bacon. Red wine. Beef broth. Onions. Carrots. Garlic. Thyme. Bay leaves. Mushrooms. Prepare for a slow-cooked masterpiece. Cooking instructions for beef bourguignon. Sear beef cubes and bacon in a Dutch oven until browned. Add onions, carrots, garlic, thyme, and bay leaves, sautéing until fragrant. Pour in red wine and beef broth. Simmer on low heat until the beef is tender. Add mushrooms and continue cooking until the flavors meld together. Recipe 5. Grilled steak with chimichurri sauce. Our culinary journey concludes with a sizzling delight. Grilled steak with chimichurri sauce. Gather these ingredients. Ribeye or sirloin steaks. Fresh parsley. Garlic. Red wine vinegar. Olive oil. Red pepper flakes. Salt and pepper. Prepare for a grill masterclass. Season steaks with salt and pepper and grill to your desired doneness. In a blender, combine fresh parsley, minced garlic, red wine vinegar, red pepper flakes, and olive oil. Blend until smooth to create the vibrant chimichurri sauce. Drizzle the sauce over the grilled steaks for a burst of herbaceous goodness. And there you have it, 5 mouth-watering beef dishes to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, these recipes offer a delightful range of flavors to explore. If you enjoyed this culinary soiree of crafting beef delights with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of culinary excellence and the joy of creating memorable meals.